Alright, what's up guys? Today I'm going to show you guys how to clean a K&N cold intake filter. It's not really that hard or anything like that. So basically all you need is just a brush, dish liquid soap, and boom, the K&N recharge kit. All right, so basically what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna start first step, so just to get out like the bugs and the like leaves or whatever might be stuck inside. Before I wet it or anything like that, I will just brush out the bugs out of them, out of the filter. See, some people would just wet it and use the cleaner, but me personally, I feel it's easier to get out the stuff from inside when it's dry. So I'm just gonna brush it out as much as I can. It don't have to be perfect, but I think my OCD just allows me to like really clean this stuff. Like if I see anything leaving there, I would just try to get it out. But you know, this is not really that dirty. You know, I just so that, you know what I mean, I'm home, and yes, this is around the COVID-19 time. So since I have time at home, I'm not working, I'm just gonna do this and show you guys. You know, try not to get dust in here inside. You know, although you're cleaning it, but just try your best not to get the dust trapped in there. You don't want that. All right, so this is done. So I have right here dish liquid, but before you do that, you have to use the kit. So these are the items in the kit: the air filter cleaner and oil for the air filter. So I'm gonna just spray the air filter cleaner on this. So always shake anything in a bottle, always shake it up. You know, just shake it up so you can get whatever, like this, anything that's settled at the bottom, like mixed up. Don't just take it out and just start spraying like that. So I'm gonna spray this down and try not to spray too much, but just try to spray enough where you could like get into the groove. All right, I think I got it all the way around. There we go. All right, so I just sprayed it, the cleaner. So I'm gonna let it sit for about 10 to 15 minutes, and then I'm gonna come back and then I'm gonna wash it off and let it dry. Probably use a hair dryer and dry it faster since I'm doing it in the night. But I'll be back. All right, guys. It's been 15 minutes and it's soaked in. So what I'm gonna do, so since I'm not using like the power hose or heavy flow water or anything like that, I'm gonna just soak it, the outside. Yeah, I'm just gonna soak the outside inside the soapy water, which I have here. I'm not using a power hose or anything like that from the outside. So as you can see, it's like the color changed drastically because it was like dirty. But there's some stuff that came out, see, from spraying the stuff to agitate it. So yeah, you just wash it up like that. All right, boom. There we go. Yeah, this water is like hot. Well, it's cold over here, so I had to put some hot water. You know, I just don't want to use the you know, cold water, and I'm cold too. So, all right. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna change this water and get some fresh water, and then I'll rinse it again, and then I'll let it dry a little. Probably, I don't know if I do it overnight and let it dry, or just, you know, use a blow dryer. It all depends. But probably, since I'm not going out back to my truck right now, I'll just probably just let it sit overnight and let it dry. And if it don't dry by the morning, I'll rinse it off and dry it. As you can see, yeah, it's all clean. Yep, it's all clean. All right, guys, you know what? I have my clean water, so I'm just gonna rinse this out. Okay. All right, this is looking real good, real clean. All right, guys, so this is looking like real clean. Yeah, it's steaming right now because of the water. It was hot. But so after this dries, all you have to do is spray the oil. And then you just hook it back to the truck. But so I'll show you how to apply the oil back onto the filter after it dries. All right, guys, the intake is nice and dry. So what you do now, you take the K&N, the oil, the filter oil. Make sure you shake it up. Shake it up real good before you use it. And so you're gonna apply light coats on it. You don't want to soak it. You just want to apply a light coat on it. There we go. All right. Boom. Let's try to get the ends and everything real good. And you could tell, like, after you clean it, it changes the color to a light pinkish color. And when you apply it, it gets like brighter, like a purplish color. You see the intake color changed completely. So just have to make sure you just get every single part. There we go. So this is soaked pretty well. This is good. Right there, missed that spot, and boom, and you're done. So the excess, you could wipe it off, and then you just install it back onto the truck. Okay, so I'm just gonna wipe off the ends where some of the oil, the excess oil, got on. There we go. See? Boom. So there we go. It's all done. All right. So now I'm gonna install it back into the truck. It's not even that hard. All right. So to install this, it's just gotta put it in there, snuck it up in there, like that. Just like that. And this is a 8mm socket, so you're just gonna tighten this back. So just make sure it's snug in there properly. And boom. There we go. Easy install. So as you can see, it's already in there, snug. And that's it. So let's start it and hear how that sounds when you start that. Let me go start the car and you hear it. And
That's how you clean an air filter. Alright guys.